Hey, what's up guys? Get another crash course today. So today we will be talking about MariaDB. Let's start with a very obvious question. What is MariaDB?
MariaDB is a community-developed, commercially supported fork of the MySQL, a relational database management system, intended to remain free and open-source software under the GNU General Public License.
Let's talk about MariaDB invention, and how it is taken to us. MariaDB is a fork of MySQL. MySQL was acquired by Sun Microsystems in 2008. Then, Oracle acquired Sun Microsystems in 2010 with MySQL included. In December 2012, the MariaDB Foundation was created to avoid any company acquisition, like what had happened in the past for MySQL. The MariaDB project is the brainchild of Michael Monty Widenius, the founder of MySQL, Monty Program AB, and a founding member of the MariaDB Foundation. So far, let's talk about the need of MariaDB for us and its uses. Well, MariaDB is an open-source relational database management system that is a compatible drop-in replacement for the widely used MySQL database technology. Let's have a look at some of its advantages. MariaDB offers tighter security measures. Security is a major concern for any website owner. Performance is faster and more efficient. Your site's performance is incredibly important, especially when it comes to loading speeds. You'll get access to better user support. You must be thinking with all these benefits, MariaDB must be hard to use. Look at this. It is faster overall and easier to use. MariaDB allows creating version tables. Here are some sample of examples. When creating a database, you will be amazed and convinced at its importance after you know which companies use it. See for yourself. Accenture, Alibaba Travels, Upstage AI, BlaBlaCar, Walmart, Birdview, Paralect, Bagel Code. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. Let's catch up in the next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and do share. And also, see the links given for keep you up to date.